In the previous section of the course, we talked about belief effects and how our thoughts affect our biology. And we talked about the importance of thinking about our thinking. Because again, our thoughts have a direct impact on our bodies, on our health and well-being. Now, thinking about our thinking is sometimes referred to as mindfulness or contemplation or awareness. And it's an actual specific mental practice that has great brain benefits. See, awareness, or again, mindfulness or stillness or contemplation, is just the simple act of being present in the moment. It's about focusing on and being aware of your environment, the sounds that you might encounter, the smells, the sights, or what's going on in your internal environment, your heart rate, your breathing, again, your thoughts, your emotions. And practicing awareness specifically also involves not judging what you're encountering. So for example, the actual specific practice of awareness is just being present. It's focusing on your environment, your internal environment, your external environment. It's just noticing your thoughts or your emotions or the sounds that you encounter in your environment. And it's acknowledging those, but not judging them. It's just being aware, again, that those are occurring and just noticing them as they come and as they go. By practicing awareness, you can actually strengthen your brain. The research shows that practicing awareness strengthens the part of the brain responsible for focus and planning, productivity, self-control, which is the prefrontal cortex. But also, practicing awareness has been shown to shrink the amygdala, the part of the brain that's associated with and responsible for things like stress and anxiety and fear. And people that practice awareness consistently also have a stronger connection between the prefrontal cortex and the amygdala, which is pretty incredible if you think about it. By just taking time out of your day to be still, to just be present, you can strengthen your brain. You can improve your mood. You can reduce your stress. And you can improve your well-being. Now, there's also another component to awareness, or a specific kind of awareness called focused awareness, that you can derive all these benefits as well. That's excellent for brain function, mindset development, and your health and well-being. Focused awareness piggybacks off of awareness. So when you're being aware, you are observing everything in your environment, both internal and external. Again, you're observing your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, your sensations. You're observing sights and sounds and maybe smells in your environment. Now, focused awareness is where you focus on something specific in your environment. It's where you observe or try to observe one specific aspect of your internal or your external environment. And a great simple focused awareness practice involves focusing on your breath or your breathing. And it's very simple to practice. So what you want to do is you want to try to find a quiet, comfortable place. You want to sit with an upright posture. You want to close your eyes, and you just want to breathe normally. And you just want to focus on your breathing. Now, what you're going to find is when you're focusing on your breathing, your mind is going to wander. You're going to have an itch. You're going to think about a memory or what you have to do tonight, or you're going to hear something in your environment that's going to pull your attention away from your breath. And that's perfectly normal, and it's perfectly fine. All you want to do is just acknowledge whatever it is that pulls your attention away and gently pull your attention back to your breath. And that's the practice of focused awareness. And sometimes, again, this is referred to as mindfulness or mindfulness meditation. But all it is, it's strengthening that focus muscle in your brain. That's strengthening the connection between that prefrontal cortex, the seat of your focus and rationality, and the amygdala. It's strengthening the connection between your thinking brain and your feeling brain.